The history of DuraVent. Established 1956. In 1956, DuraVent opened its doors in a small metal building in Redwood City, California, on the San Francisco Peninsula. They were manufacturing a metal pipe called Type B gas vent. We still make Type B gas vent today in sizes 3-inch through 30-inch for gas-fired water heaters, boilers, and furnaces. On the site of the original factory today sits a Target store. In 1959, DuraVent added gutters and downspouts to their product line. They soon developed a metal chimney, Dura Chimney, and a metal fireplace that could be framed in with wood. They became very popular very quickly and soon were shipping all over the U.S. Dura Chimney was a triple wall, air-insulated chimney for wood-burning appliances. Because we needed to ship our product to the East Coast, we partnered up with a liquor distributor. Because alcohol is so heavy, they couldn't fill their trucks completely, so we were able to fill the space on top with our chimney pipe and fireplaces to share the cost of shipping. Around 1980, the national codes were updated, increasing the maximum temperature that a factory-built chimney would need to be listed to for wood stoves and boilers. Dura Plus replaced the older Dura Chimney product. Both of them are triple wall constructed. Dura Plus has a layer of insulation added around the inner wall and an airspace between the mid-wall and the outer. With this improvement, it passed the new UL 103 HT requirement of a maximum temperature of 2100 degrees Fahrenheit, with a normal operating temperature of 1000 degrees. In 1982, Simpson Manufacturing purchased DuraVent, and we became known as Simpson DuraVent. They moved the factory to Vacaville, California, and opened a factory in Vicksburg, Mississippi. With the growing demand for venting, the ability to ship from either location allowed us to grow. Our first building in Vacaville was one half of what is now the warehouse. There was a 10-foot tall chain link fence between us and the tire distributor on the other side. 1992. DuraVent has always been the leader in developing new venting systems for residential and commercial use. We were instrumental in developing the venting systems for the newly patented DuraVent appliances and the new pellet appliances. The DuraVent appliance is a gas-fired appliance that uses double-wall venting. The outer wall of the vent brings fresh air into the appliance, and the exhaust from the appliance goes out through the inner wall. This allows the complete system to be not only balanced, but also sealed, and won't impact the indoor air quality of the room it's installed in. The balanced system also allows the appliance to terminate in either the vertical or horizontal fashion. This gives it more venting options and helps minimize the installation cost. We also helped develop the venting systems for the new pellet appliance that burns a pelletized wood byproduct to generate heat. The pellet appliance uses an internal fan to force the exhaust out of the appliance, and this allows it to also terminate in either a vertical or a horizontal fashion. The year 2000, Y2K. All computers are going to stop working, cars will stop driving, phones will stop ringing. Well, we know that didn't happen. But what did happen is a huge demand for alternative sources of heat. This created a surge in demand for venting systems. And around the same time, we were developing a new marketing and sales program called DuraPro. This program aligned products to be available to the professional installer, the brick and mortar store, and the DIY stores. Our current products, DuraPlus and PelletVent, are now being sold through the DIY channels. And the new Duratech Chimney, the new PelletVent Pro, and the rebranded DuraVent Pro would be available to the DuraPro program participants and the brick and mortar stores. Duratech was our new double-walled chimney, available in sizes 5" through 24". DuraTech has a smaller outside diameter, so it can be installed in tighter places. With the addition of a laser welding technology in the Vacaville facility, we can now make the new DuraVent Pro with laser welded pipe and gasket technology. This makes it the tightest pellet vent system on the market. We rebrand the DuraVent GS to be known now as DuraVent Pro, available through the DuraPro program. 2008, Simpson DuraVent acquired both the Ventnox product line from America Boa and the ProTech system in Albany, New York. This acquisition added a welded stainless steel venting system called Fasten Seal and a continuously welded liner called Ventnox, along with other stainless steel flexible systems. Ventnox had almost a cult following of chimney sweeps, and they swore by this liner. The other flexible stainless steel liners had unique features that were new to us as well. These included a smooth wall liner and DuraPro Flex, which is the most flexible corrugated liner in our product lines. Fasten Seal was new to us and complemented our product line by offering a venting system for gas-fired category 2, 3, or 4 appliances. It was made from a specific stainless steel called AL29-4C and made to handle the exhaust of the high-efficient appliance that was both under positive pressure and full of super corrosive moisture. In 2010, Simpson Manufacturing sold DuraVent to the MGE Group out of the Netherlands. MGE supplied flues and venting all over Europe. We now become known as MGE DuraVent, member of the MGE Group. We believe that the MGE Group is the largest vent manufacturer in the world, having factories all over the world. Being acquired by MGE gave us access to a plastic venting material called polypropylene. Our brand, PolyPro, is introduced to North America for use with gas-fired, high-efficient appliances that have a positive pressure exhaust and are listed as a Category 4 appliance. Polypropylene type venting had been used as a venting material in Europe for many years, and it was time to be introduced to North America. In 2012, MGE DuraVent acquired Security Chimneys International in Laval, Canada. They made and sold similar products in the hearth and HVAC industry and have a great reputation as a quality product. One thing we learned is that the Canadians are loyal to Canadian manufacturers. And if we were serious about growing our market share north of the border, it would take a factory in Canada to do it. The acquisition of Security Chimneys International gave us that ability. In 2013, the board of directors of M&G decided to consolidate the East Coast manufacturing by closing the facility in Vicksburg, Mississippi, and moving the equipment to our new location in Albany, New York. This consolidation will allow us to manage overhead costs and make better use of the space we have in the new New York facility. In 2017, the board of directors of M&G decided to remove DuraVent and Security Chimney from under the M&G Group and make us our own corporation, now known as DuraVent Security Chimneys. This allows us to better control our growth in the North American market and expand into other markets. The year 2020, COVID-19, a worldwide pandemic, businesses shutting down, fire within 2 miles of the factory in Vacaville. What a crazy year this has been. Through it all, DuraVent and Security Chimney have been designated as an essential business. We were able to keep all of our facilities open, operating, manufacturing, and shipping product the whole year. We've kept all our employees working and safe. DuraVent and Security Chimney make the safety of their employees a top priority, continually updating their safety procedures and policies to be above and beyond local government regulations. The company has also encouraged and participated in programs for the well-being of their employees, their families, and the communities surrounding the facilities. The company has had employees organize local food drives. They've given monetary donations. They've created matching fund programs. They've encouraged work at home programs. They even loaned their IT department to any family that needed help setting up the stay-at-home learning that everybody had to learn to live with. The list goes on and on. It makes you proud to work for a company that values the employees, their families, and the communities that we're all in. The future. Because of the values, dedication, and desire to do the best, DuraVent and Security Chimney will continue to be the market leader in new technology to vent the ever-evolving appliances today and tomorrow.